Welcome back to today's Bible study. My name's Josh, and so far we've practiced slowing down and staying with the text without trying to explain it or use it. Today, we're going to add just a small layer of awareness. You are not learning structure or labeling anything just yet, or expected to understand how the Bible is organized. What you are doing is becoming aware that Scripture communicates through connected ideas. The posture today is still the same: patience, attentive, unhurried. Your job is not to decide what anything means, but to notice how ideas relate to each other as you read. We're going to read two short portions from the same passage in James. I'll read the first portion and then the second. As you listen, don't name anything, don't categorize anything, don't explain anything. Just notice where thoughts feel complete and where they seem to continue. First, listen to James chapter 1, verses 2 through 4. My brethren, count it all joy when you fall into various trials, knowing that the testing of your faith produces patience. But let patience have its perfect work, that you may be perfect and complete, lacking nothing. Now listen to James chapter 1, verses 5 through 8. If any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask of God, who gives to all liberally and without reproach, and it will be given to him. But let him ask in faith, with no doubting. For he who doubts is like a wave of the sea, driven and tossed by the wind. For let not that man suppose that he will receive anything from the Lord. He is a double-minded man, unstable in all his ways. Take a moment and read both portions again quietly on your own. As you were reading, a few questions may have surfaced. Where does the thought seem to continue rather than stop? Where does something new seem to begin? Or what clues in the text made you notice that? Stay close to the words on the page and let the text guide your attention. What you're practicing is another skill. The skill is recognizing connected ideas in Scripture. This builds directly on what you've practiced, noticing carefully and rereading patiently. Later on, Bible study will depend on following complete thoughts instead of isolating individual verses. For now, simply learning to sense how ideas move and connect is enough. Today's goal was noticing connections. Structure will come later, slowly and clearly, one step at a time. For now, stay patient with the text. When you're ready, move on to the next video.